The job market is being rewritten right now. Not tweaked, not adjusted, rewritten. Artificial intelligence isn't just changing how we work, it's creating entirely new careers that didn't even exist 5 years ago. Since the rise of tools like ChatGPT, we've seen a quiet explosion of roles that no university ever prepared people for. Roles that didn't appear on job boards in 2020, and are now hiring fast. Think about this: there are now executives with titles like Chief AI Officer. That position was virtually non-existent just a few years ago, and now Fortune 500 companies are adding it to their boardrooms. These leaders aren't managing servers, they're setting company-wide strategies around how AI is used, how it's governed, and how to balance innovation with risk. Then there are prompt engineers, people whose entire job is crafting the right instructions to get high-quality results from language models. It sounds simple, but it's not. This role blends logic, psychology, and creativity. It didn't even exist until recently, and now companies are paying 6 figures or more because the right prompt can unlock game-changing outputs. Another brand new role: synthetic data specialist. When companies can't use real customer data due to privacy laws, these professionals generate realistic, artificial datasets to train AI models. It's a critical job that sits at the intersection of ethics, privacy, and machine learning. A decade ago, no one would have guessed it would be needed. Now it's essential. Human-AI interaction has created an entire career category of its own. Conversation designers are being hired to script how chatbots and virtual assistants talk. Their job is to shape the tone, the personality, even the humor of a digital assistant. If you've ever spoken to a chatbot that felt surprisingly friendly or clever, someone was paid to write that experience. Then there are UI/UX designers, professionals who rethink how we interact with intelligent tools. They're not just creating clean interfaces, they're solving problems we've never encountered before. What should an AI explain? When should it interrupt? How much control should a human have? These aren't software questions. They're human ones. Even the way humans and AI work together needs designing. That's where human-AI workflow specialists come in. Their job is to figure out which parts of a task should be handled by a machine, and which parts need human oversight. They create hybrid systems that combine efficiency with quality control, something every AI-integrated business now needs. Ethics is no longer a side conversation, it's a job. AI ethics officers are responsible for making sure intelligent systems don't cause harm. They evaluate bias, ensure transparency, and often deal with legal compliance. It's not just about values, it's about accountability. In some sectors, you can't launch an AI tool without someone like this on the team. Meanwhile, on the creative side, AI has completely reshaped the landscape. Virtual influencer managers now build and operate AI-generated digital personalities. These aren't gimmicks. Some of these avatars have millions of followers and generate serious income. Behind each one is a team managing their brand, behavior, and monetization strategy. We're also seeing the rise of AI music composers, people using tools like Suno and AIVA to generate original tracks. Many of them don't have classical training. They're using AI as a creative collaborator. And it's working. Tracks created this way are being used in films, ads, and streaming content. Synthetic media producers are another new category. These professionals manage video content generated by AI, ensuring it's accurate, compliant, and professional. With AI reducing video production costs dramatically, this role bridges the gap between raw machine output and polished, publishable media. On the safety and oversight side, we're seeing roles like AI safety researcher emerge as vital. These are the people asking hard questions: what happens when models get too powerful? How do we align their behavior with human values? Only a few hundred people globally do this work at a deep technical level, but that number is growing fast. AI auditors are another necessity. They review systems for compliance with laws like the EU AI Act. They're looking for risks, unintended bias, or misuse. It's part quality control, part legal protection, and all very new. So what does this mean for your career? It means the map has changed. Remote work is now standard in many of these roles. Teams are more global than ever. And the most valuable professionals aren't always the best coders, they're the ones who can think across disciplines. People who can blend technical understanding with ethics, creativity, and communication are rising fastest. In this space, continuous learning isn't optional, it's survival. The tools evolve monthly. The expectations shift weekly. But for those who embrace that pace, there's never been more opportunity. Most importantly, these jobs aren't just traditional roles with AI tacked on. They exist because artificial intelligence creates new challenges and possibilities that no existing job was designed to handle. They are products of a new world that's forming in real time. So if you've ever felt like you missed the rise of the internet, or the app economy, or social media, this is your moment. The AI job revolution is happening right now. And the people stepping into these new roles today are going to be the ones shaping the future of work for everyone else tomorrow. And if you want to learn what skills these new careers actually demand, stick around.